I rise today to draw the attention of this esteemed House to a grave issue that has been plaguing the people of my constituency, Hooghly, sir. The relentless Ganga riverbank erosion in the Balaghar region is causing severe distress and devastation to the lives and the livelihoods of our citizens, sir. Speaker, sir, the Ganga River traverses through Hooghly districts, approximately 74 kilometers, sir, of which around 34 kilometers are urban and 44 kilometers are rural, sir. The rural stretch predominantly falls within this Balaghar block, sir. A more than 2 kilometer stretch of the riverbank area from Guptipara Ferry Ghat onwards in Balaghar is experiencing rapid erosion affecting our 9 Gram Panchayats, sir. In the rural areas, there are several char lands, sir. Thousands of families are losing their homes, agricultural land because of this, and access to basic amenities, sir, due to the relentless force of nature in this whole region. Lack of proper dredging has further aggravated this situation, leading to the formation of sandbars, sir. These sandbars obstruct the natural flow of the Ganga River, causing erosion and further damages, sir. I will take only few seconds more, sir. Speaker, sir, there is an urgent need for a comprehensive Balaghar master plan. One, commission and comprehensive study to evaluate the extent of erosion and understand underlying causes and the vulnerability zones. Number 2, sir, construct and maintain robust embankments by reinforcing the vulnerable stretches, sir. Number 3, sir, initiate timely dredging operations to maintain the river's depth, prevent sandbar formation and stabilize the river bank, sir. I request the government to protect our river bank, safeguard our communities, sir, and restore hope to the people of Balaghar and ensure that their plight is alleviated through timely and effective action. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
रिकॉर्ड में nothing is going to record except Rahul ji.
Nothing is going to go on record. Rahul Gandhi ji. Nothing has gone into the record. Nothing has gone into the record. You speak. You speak. Rahul ji. Rahul ji. You speak, sir. Let him speak.
You will not allow to speak about Wayanad. Are you not going to allow? Please speak about Wayanad.
You please take your seat. Please take your seat. Let him
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
You please take your seat. Let him speak. You please take your
Speaker,
seat.
sir. Speaker, sir.
Speak.
There has been a tragedy in Wayanad. I am absolutely amazed that they are not allowing us to give a statement on this. Speaker, sir, thank you for
You have
permitting
given a
me.
notice on why not. Speak only on why not.
I'm speaking on Wayanad.
Okay, please. No, you please sit down. You please sit down.
What is your problem?
No, you please sit down.
Don't do that.
Rahul ji, speak.
कैसी बॉडी लैंग्वेज थी सर? ये कैसी बॉडी लैंग्वेज थी? ये मंत्री की
राहुल जी, you speak.
से बात करिए मंत्री जी, आप सभ्यता से बात करिए, आप सभ्यता से बात करिए, शालीनता से बात करिए।
राहुल जी,
आप शालीनता से बात करिए मंत्री जी। Speaker sir, thank you for permitting me to raise this issue of the tragedy in Wayanad. I visited Wayanad with my sister some days back, and I saw with my own eyes the devastation, the pain and suffering that resulted from this tragedy. Almost 2 kilometers of the hill had just collapsed, and almost a river of stones, river of mud had come down, and more than 400 people, more than 200 are dead, and vast number are missing, but the eventual casualty is going to be 400 plus is what it seems. I'd like to commend the work of the union and state government, of NDRF and SDRF, of the Army, Navy and Coast Guard, District Administration, Forest Department, Fire and Rescue, health personnel, and assistance also from the states Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Telangana. It was also nice to see that all communities came together, everybody came together to help the people. People from different ideologies, different communities, everybody came together and helped. Landslide has cut vital roads and has made it nearly impossible for rescue teams to reach the far reaches. This is, I think, a huge tragedy, sir. And it's a very concentrated tragedy located in one very specific area. So I would urge the union government to support a comprehensive rehabilitation package for Wayanad, including for building disaster resilient infrastructure and to help the affected communities. I would also like to urge the union government to enhance the compensation that people are getting. And finally, I would also like to urge the government to declare the Wayanad landslides as a national disaster. Speaker, sir, I saw it with my own eyes, and I've seen many disasters. I've visited many different places where disasters have taken place, but it was very, very sad to see here that in a number of cases, only one member of a family is remaining. Mother, father, grandmother, brother, everybody is dead, and there's only one person remaining. Sometimes the person is a child, sometimes the person is an adult. So it was a real tragedy to see that. And I'd like to also thank the entire House for the support that everybody has given to the people of Wayanad. Thank you.